Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Henry. How are you today?
Hi, Grace. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I was thinking about the seasons today. I love how each season has its own charm. What do you think about the seasons?
I agree, Grace. Every season is unique. I enjoy the changes in weather and the different activities that come with each season.
Yes, for example, spring is my favorite. The weather is mild, and the flowers begin to bloom. I feel full of energy and hope in spring.
That is true. In spring, everything looks fresh and new. I like to go for walks in the park. I enjoy watching the trees get green and the birds coming back.
I love that too. I also like to visit gardens in spring. The colors are beautiful and the air smells fresh. Sometimes I even have a small picnic with my friends.
A picnic sounds perfect in spring. The soft sunlight and gentle breeze make it very pleasant. I often take my camera to capture the blooming flowers.
That is a lovely idea. Now, what about summer? How do you feel about summer, Henry?
Summer is very exciting for me. I love the warm weather, long days, and the feeling of being outdoors. I often go swimming and play sports like volleyball at the beach.
I agree. Summer is great. I enjoy the heat and the bright sun. It is a good time for outdoor activities. I love going to the beach to swim and relax.
The beach is fun. I also like to have barbecues with my family in summer. We eat, play games, and sometimes even go for a short hike.
That sounds wonderful. I sometimes join my friends for a picnic in the park or an evening walk to watch the sunset. The warm summer nights are very beautiful.
Absolutely. But sometimes summer can be very hot. I like to drink cold lemonade and eat ice cream to stay cool.
Yes, a cold drink and ice cream are perfect on a hot day. Now, let's talk about autumn. How do you feel about autumn, Henry?
Autumn is very special. I like the cool weather and the change in the color of the leaves. The red, yellow, and orange leaves are very beautiful.
I love autumn too. The weather is cooler than summer, and I feel comfortable outside. I enjoy walking in the park and watching the leaves fall.
Autumn is a good time for outdoor walks. I often take my dog for a long walk, and the scenery is amazing.
I also enjoy autumn festivals. There are many events where people celebrate the harvest, and I love trying local food at these festivals.
Yes, autumn festivals are fun. They are full of music, dancing, and traditional food. I like the smell of roasted chestnuts and pumpkin dishes in autumn.
That is one of my favorite parts of autumn. I also like to wear cozy sweaters and light jackets. The weather is cool, but not too cold.
True. Autumn gives a nice balance between the hot summer and the cold winter. Speaking of winter, how do you feel about it, Grace?
Winter is different. I like the idea of a quiet, snowy day, but sometimes it is too cold for me. I enjoy winter when I can see snow and have fun with family.
I love winter when it snows. I enjoy building a snowman, having snowball fights, and even trying ice skating. Although it can be very cold, I think winter has its own beauty.
Yes, ice skating is very fun. I also like to drink hot chocolate on a cold winter day. It makes me feel warm and cozy inside.
Hot chocolate and a warm blanket are perfect for winter evenings. I sometimes sit by the window and watch the snow falling while reading a book.
That sounds very relaxing. Winter can be magical, even if it is cold. The crisp air and sparkling snow create a unique atmosphere.
I agree. Each season brings different feelings and activities. In spring, I feel hopeful and full of life. In summer, I feel energetic and excited. In autumn, I feel calm and reflective. And in winter, I enjoy quiet, peaceful moments.
That is a beautiful way to describe the seasons. I also feel that each season gives us a chance to try new things. For example, in spring, I start gardening. In summer, I love outdoor sports. In autumn, I enjoy festivals and walks. And in winter, I try indoor hobbies like reading or cooking warm meals.
Exactly. I think it is important to enjoy each season and make the best of what they offer. Every season has its own lesson and beauty.
Yes, and I believe that the change of seasons also reminds us that life is always changing. We must learn to enjoy every moment, whether it is warm, cool, or cold.
I feel that too. The changing weather makes me appreciate life more. I try to adapt my activities to the season. For example, when it is very hot, I prefer to stay in a cool place and drink plenty of water.
That is wise. I also plan my wardrobe with the seasons in mind. I wear light clothes in summer and warm clothes in winter. It makes me feel comfortable and ready for the day.
Yes, dressing appropriately is very important. I always check the weather forecast in the morning so I can decide what to wear and whether I need an umbrella.
I do that as well. Sometimes the weather changes very quickly, and it is good to be prepared.
Absolutely. I also enjoy watching weather reports. They show interesting pictures of different regions and sometimes even fun facts about the seasons.
Weather reports are interesting. They remind me that while we live in one place, many people around the world experience different weather and seasons.
That is true. I sometimes wonder how people live in very hot or very cold countries. It is amazing how diverse our world is.
Yes, and traveling to different places lets you experience different seasons. I have traveled to a place where it snowed all year round, and it was very different from my hometown.
I have traveled to a tropical country where it was warm every day. The weather there was very different from what I'm used to, but I enjoyed it because it was perfect for the beach.
Traveling helps us see the variety of weather and nature. It makes me appreciate my own seasons even more.
I agree, Grace. Our conversation makes me feel grateful for the beauty of nature and the uniqueness of each season.
Thank you for this lovely chat, Henry. It is wonderful to share our feelings and plans for each season.
Thank you, Grace. I enjoyed talking with you about the seasons. I feel more connected to nature and more ready to enjoy the day, no matter what the weather is.
I hope we can talk again soon about our experiences and maybe plan some seasonal activities together.
I would like that very much, Grace. Have a great day and enjoy the beautiful weather, whether it is sunny, cool, or snowy.
You too, Henry. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Grace.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.